Welcome to our video where we compare two popular treadmills based on online reviews and feature comparisons, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the NordicTrack T-Series 5 Treadmill. Let's find out which one might be the best fit for your home workout needs. When it comes to affordability, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill takes the lead with a price tag significantly lower than the NordicTrack T-Series 5. Reviewers appreciate the Cursor for its budget-friendly nature, making it an attractive option for those looking to save. On the other hand, the NordicTrack, despite its higher cost, is praised for its advanced features like IFIT Bluetooth connectivity, suggesting that it might be worth the investment for tech-savvy users. In terms of features, the Cursor Fitness Treadmill is lauded for its quiet, brushless motor, making it ideal for those who prefer a noiseless workout, possibly late at night. Reviewers also highlight its ease of assembly and user-friendly design. Conversely, the NordicTrack impresses with its powerful 2.6 chp motor, quick speed controls, and built-in tablet holder, catering to users who prioritize performance and entertainment during their workouts. Warranty and service offer a mixed bag of benefits. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill provides a reassuring 5-year frame warranty and 1-year parts warranty, which is highly appreciated by reviewers for its sense of security. The NordicTrack, however, steps up with a 10-year frame warranty, signaling a long-term commitment to quality and durability. This extended warranty period is a significant selling point for users planning a long fitness journey. Overall, reviews for both treadmills are positive, with the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill being praised for its compact size, ease of use, and affordability. The NordicTrack T-Series 5, on the other hand, is appreciated for its durability, quality, and advanced features. Both treadmills have their strengths, making the choice between them, dependent on individual needs and preferences. Which treadmill do you think suits your home workout the best? The budget-friendly and quiet Cursor Fitness, or the durable feature-packed NordicTrack? Let us know by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below with your preference and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description. Thanks for watching.